Good evening, friends. Today we will take a look at SESHASAYEE Paper and Boards Limited. Obviously, it is engaged in manufacture and sale of printing paper and writing paper. It is headquartered in Chennai. It has 6 decades of experience in Indian paper industry. It manufactures a variety of papers such as printing paper, writing paper, grade papers, packaging and wrapping grade papers, specialty grade papers, etc. It markets paper products in the domestic market. Brand names are Sprint, Sprint Plus, Swift and Success, mostly in South India. The company operates an integrated pulp, paper and paper board mill at Erode, very near to Erode in Tamil Nadu, and a paper manufacturing mill at Tirunelveli, again in Tamil Nadu. Over the years, through organic expansion and inorganic expansion, the company expanded to a total capacity of 255,000 tons per annum. The company has a very good marketing and distribution network to support these manufacturing activities. It has a network of over 70 active dealers. It also exports to a certain extent to USA, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Middle East countries. Revenue contribution is around 65 to 70% of its total sales from South India itself. The company has been reducing its debt over the last 5 years, and latest it has achieved a net debt-free status. The company is the flagship of SWIN Group, ESVIN, SWIN Group. Other prominent companies in the group are Ponni Sugars, High Energy Batteries, etc. The company had embarked on a mill development plan, Plan 3, at Unit Erode at a cost of 315 crores in FY23. That project is nearing completion with major upgradation works in chemical recovery plant, wood pulp plant, paper machine 5, paper machine 2 and paper machine 4 having been successfully completed. What does it mean? It means that very shortly the capacities will go up and the company will be producing more paper and printing boards. The company is focusing on identifying new wood species. For example, it has identified Melia dubia, a high-yielding, fast-growing species. Here, I had made a suggestion in one of my other videos for probably Satya industry, that's also a paper industry, that Punjab and Haryana, after every crop, they are burning away the entire thing. Whatever waste is there, that they are burning away and it is giving problems to Delhi, Noida, etc. Instead, if the paper mills are given those things and if they develop the technology, which must be easy, to convert that grass into paper, that will be a wonderful thing. See, the paper mills will absorb the grass, Delhi will be spared of that pollution, Punjab and Haryana farmers will be rid of that waste grass. So, it is good for all the people. Government should consider such proposals. Rather, it can come from private initiative also, between the farmers and the mills. Likewise, in this case also, the SESHASAYEE mills can try to make the arrangement with farmers. So, let us see whether they will do it. Now, the chairman of the company is N. Gopal Ratnam. The managing director is Kasi Vishwanathan. Before we see the quarterly sales, the price curve is a somewhat upward curve for SESHASAYEE mills. We'll see why it is so. Over the past 5 years, however, the company has delivered poor sales growth. Sales are good, but sales growth is not that great in the last 5 years. Low return on equity of 12% in the last 3 years. Dividend payout also has been low. It's like that. But performance-wise, it's reasonably good. Net sales have increased to 555.81 crores. Previous quarter 522.91 crores, and year ago quarter 334 crores only. So year on year the development is 66%. Quarter on quarter also there is a development of 6%. Raw material costs also have increased by 120%. It constitutes about half of the sales. Net profit is 109.46 crores, previous quarter 100 crores, and year ago quarter 5.92 crores only, which means there is a huge growth, year on year growth 174.9%, 1749%, and quarter on quarter growth is 9%. Equity is 12.04%. Basic EPS is 18.52%. That also has grown impressively, 1752% year on year and 5% quarter on quarter. Current price is around 286. Volumes are reasonably good, 2,42,000. Price earning is 3.86, very low. And earlier the price earning used to be around 5, like that. Even 5 is very low, but 3.86 is very, very low. So probably it might grow. Price might grow. Now 52-week range is 133 low and 348 high. Strengths, if you look at the strengths of the company, high trailing 12 months EPS growth, quarterly growth in sales is very good, quarterly growth in net profit is good, net profit margin growth also is good, low debt, almost no debt, increasing profits for the last 4 quarters, book value has been improving in the last 2 years, zero promoter splits, FIAs and FAs are increasing their shareholding. The weaknesses are ROE is declining, ROA is also declining. Currently the price is low, so people can consider on that basis also. High recovery from 52-week low, stock with low price earning, high volume, high gain. Price is 113.96% away from 52-week low and 17.86% away from 52-week high. This is an outperformer compared to Nifty 50. Financials are good, strong financials are there. Net profit growth, operating profit growth in the last few quarters is good. Market cap high in the industry. Profit growth is also above Indian industry average. Revenue growth is below industry average. Operating profit margin, it is the market leader. Shareholding unchanged at 42.78%. FIAs have increased their holding from 12.04% to 12.73%. Others are approximately the same. If you look at the price, it was never a multi-bagger. Of course, growth was moderate. In 1 year, it had grown by 88.87%. So, in the last 1 year, the growth has been reasonably good, but though not a market multi-bagger. Now, when you compare it with the other companies, the price earning is very, very low. Price earning is very, very low. Sales growth during the last trailing 12 months it has grown 63%. Otherwise, sales growth also has been dismal. Profit growth is dismal, but of course, latest is good. Trailing 12 months is very good, 192%. Stock price, it has grown, but it is not a multi-bagger. Return on equity is very moderate. Shareholding pattern, if you see, promoters shareholding 42.78%, same previous quarter also. FIAs has taken more equity, 12.04% to 12.73%. Debtor days has come down from 38 to 27. Inventory days have come down from 413 to 87. Days payable has come down from 311 to 137. Working capital days is also down. ROCE is 12%. So these are all reasonably good. Now if you see the cash flows, cash from operating activity is to 274%, 274 crores. Cash from investing activity is 250 crores minus. Always investing, in most cases it is minus, and that only goes towards operating activity. Financing activity minus 22, net cash flow is 3. If you look at the sales of the last 3-4 years, it has grown slowly. Last March 22, it was 1,355 crores, but trailing 12 months it is 1,980 crores. Operating profit margin has shot up from 12% to 23%. Profit before tax has grown from 139 crores to 434%. Net profit has grown from 103 to 324. That is trailing 12 months. Latest quarter is very impressive. So, howsoever you look at it, SESHASAYEE has performed very well in the current quarter. Price earning is low. Whether it will go up, it may go up to 5. See, in paper industry, price earnings are all low. Therefore, you don't expect too much of price earning increase. Therefore, price increase is nominal, always. But if they make good arrangements for raw material, as I said, if they take from farmers instead of building forests, I think paper industry will deserve a much higher price earning. Thank you for listening. I will come up before you with another very good performer. Thank you.